What up, though? We back live and direct at you. It's Boogie. You already know what it is. Tell all Mondays. It's the movement back in. If you ain't with it, your ass gotta get lost. We dismiss you. We back right back at you. This how we gonna do it. Why everybody think they motherfucking club owners out here? If you just work there, you're not the owner. You just participate. Hit you, holler at your boy. Let me know what's up. Gamma, I know it is. Let me know what's up with these special guests up in here.
I feel like that the same way, because if that's not your job, then you need to sit down sometimes. Sometimes people take their job a little bit too serious. You're not gonna get employee of the month.
Like you the custodian.
Bonus.
Like you the custodian.
Let shit ride. Let shit ride.
I feel you on that one. Just let it ride, let it roll. You know, if you keep it easy and pimping, your job will go a little bit smoother. Get you something you won't have come to pressure. Y'all already know what it is. We'll see you. You know it's rad. Let's go. Let's keep it moving on the movement. I don't understand people when they train of thought. You know what I'm saying? What's up with people in 2011 this fucked up train of thought? Holla at your boy. Let me know, got my fucked up trains of thought.
Trains of thought. Choo choo. Man, I feel that people was really trying to be other people, and you can't really do that. You know what I'm saying? Be your own self. You know what I'm saying? But that's how I feel about it.
Why is everybody paying this high ass rent that they know they can't afford?
Shit, I don't know. Shit, your ass is stupid as hell. You trying to keep up with the Joneses, the Foneses, the Wiggses, the Sampsons, the Johnsons,
the Browns.
You know what I'm saying? Fuck that. You better keep up with your own self, your own speed. Get in your own lane. If you know you ain't riding fast lane, then get in the middle. If you know you can't hold down the middle, then get your ass in the slow lane. Ain't nothing wrong with the slow lane. I'm a slow rider. That's how you creep up on stuff and notice everything, you stupid dummy. If you being nosy, then that ain't what it is. Yeah, man. Holler at them, tell them what's going on. Let them know what's really going on.
About that high ass rent.
I don't got no baby by no car right. So I already know what time it is.
Shit, if you had a baby by one of the car rights, you see how he did Shania Lathan in the movie Car Rights.
Right,
he left her and her baby. So if you try to be one of the car rights, you just stupid as a motherfucker. And Miguel was in debt. So you know what I'm saying? Parents them got, you know, doing their own thing. They rich because they Michael kids. You know what I'm saying? They don't got his estate yet. Y'all better read and get your man right. You know what I'm saying? Tornado swooping through this bitch and you still lost on the corner trying to bag out a bag of weed, or you get trying to have 250, get you a whole bag and then you get in the game. That's that stuff. Watch you some CBS or something. You know what I'm saying? Do something constructive. Get your man together. Get your man right. You know what I'm saying? Because these fucked up man trains of thoughts is real fucked up. Holla at your boy Wood, message board. We all over. Let me know what's going down. And tomorrow I'm gonna have a new phone line for y'all, so y'all can hit your boy up. That's how we going down on the Wood Show. I'll be back in 1 minute. That's right, 60 seconds. If you don't know how to count, put your phone on the little computer app and then download it to tell you stop watch time 60 seconds. Boogie, baby, it's the movement.